Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to get voiceover on Vidnoz AI. First, open your web browser and search Vidnoz AI. Now tap on the first link to visit the Vidnoz AI website. Switch the website to the desktop site by going to the menu of the browser. Next, tap the top 3 bars to open the pop-up menu. Select the Create Free AI Video option. You can select Google and choose your Google account to continue. Once you log in successfully, go to the pop-up menu. Then tap the Free AI Tools option and there is an AI Voice Tool section. Here, select the AI Voice Changer option and you can now turn off the desktop mode. Now select the Celebrity Voice to Clone. Then input, record, or upload your script. Tap the Change Voice Now button and it'll change your script into the celebrity's voice. In the top menu bar, you'll find various tools like video templates, AI voice, and more tools. You can clone your voice easily by following the given instructions. This website is a very useful and fun tool to clone your voice using AI. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.